Hi friends, today we are learn missing letter A to Z with color names. So let's start. Dark green color, purple color, gray color, red color, light green color, orange color, pink color, white color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, peach pink color, blue color, black color, red color, A for apple. Missing letter B for baby, orange color. C for cat, missing letter D for dog, yellow color. E for egg, missing letter F for fish, dark green color. G for goat, missing letter H for horse, sky blue color. I for island, missing letter J for jug, red color. K for kite, missing letter L for lion, yellow color. M for mango, missing letter N for nest, sky blue color. O for onion, missing letter P for panda, red color. Q for queen, missing letter R for rose, orange color. S for sun, missing letter T for tree, dark green color. U for umbrella, missing letter V for fan, red color. W for watermelon, missing letter X for X-ray, sky blue color. Y for yo-yo, missing letter Z for zebra. Let's learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y